Hello everyone, this tutorial will guide you on how to set up SA222. Here's an architecture diagram. We can use web interface to edit settings and record report functions. Now before we start, please turn on SA222. Press and hold the function button for 1 second and the IP address will be displayed. If you have any questions about using SA222, please refer to the SA222 unboxing video. Now, let's move on to the operation. Please enter the IP of SA222 in the browser. Here's a friendly reminder, we recommend you to use the Google Chrome browser, then it will take you to the login page. You can choose your preferred language down here. For first-time users, please change the password. Let's start with settings from the side menu. Our config parameter setting follows Mini-C documentation. Here are the buttons and their functions. You can modify your parameter from here or config file, which includes all of setting parameters. Let's talk about the settings first. Here's parameter settings. Here's a friendly reminder, please remove the # before the parameters of which you want to enable. Continuous mode. Server IP. You can set up 3 sets of server IP at maximum. Sampling rate. SBS channel 0 is for first access sampling rate setting format. SBS channel 1 is for second access sampling rate setting format. SBS channel 2 is for third access sampling rate setting format. We present 3 access sampling rates by 200 on this video. You can switch parameters for each axis by this format if required. Auto offset. The default of this mode is yes. Change to TRTC if you like to turn it on except occurrence of events, and no to disable this function. Mount mode is the installation method. We support eastward and northward. Event mode. PD trig enabled. P-wave displacement. If you want to use this function, enter yes after enable. PD watch threshold. PD threshold of watch level, unit by gal. PD warning threshold. PD threshold of warning level, unit by gal. Record threshold setting. Record intensity. Threshold of recorded data. Record PGA. Threshold of event recorded data for PGA. The default is 25 gal and the minimum is 0.1 gal. And config file is the other way to set up SA222. Please contact our FAE for more information. The next function is network setting. Turn on Dhcp and the system will automatically get all the parameters when SA222 connects to the network. And Dhcp can be turned off as well. If so, you will have to enter all the IP parameter by yourself. Please click Update and Network Restart to reboot the system after changes. DNS Settings. You can set your DNS server IP by preference. Click Update to save the changes. Ntp Setting. The default setting is debian.pool.ntp.org. You can also enter NTP server in preference. Here are the functions of buttons. Station info. All other information will be recorded here. After making the changes, please click Update to save. Run log. Log files record event data. If any problems occur, please download runlog.txt and send it to our FAE. SOH information. SOH is short for status of health. You can check out sensor status, CPU temperature, external voltage, internal voltage, RTC battery, and status of NTP and GNSS. This information is also available in Modbus register mapping. It will update every second. Users will be able to utilize this function to check the device status. Now, let's move on to record and report. ISO report. ISO is short for International Organization for Standardization. Waveform and recording. You can observe and record the vibration data online. Choose a time interval before you start recording. Waveform report and record. After recording, you can read the record report here and download the data file in report from the side menu. Great, now we have completed the setup of SA222. If you're interested in this product, please visit www.sanlien.com. For more information, please feel free to contact us at any time. Sanlien Technology, be the frontier of environmental monitoring.